What's up, everybody? It's your boy, Ride with Danger. Back at it again with another moto vlog. Just on my way home from work this fine evening, and it's really hot outside. It's like low mid-90s, but the humidity actually isn't terrible today, so I really don't mind it. Humidity is my weakness. Look at that train, boy. I'm going under the train. Choo-choo. Man, this person keeps getting real close to me and then backing off and then like zooming forward again. Like, can you see them? They keep getting real close to me. I don't like it. I'm gonna have to show them my butt to assert dominance. Gotta calm down. Altogether stop cancer. Is that a command? Because I don't think I'm capable of doing that. Don't put that on me. I'll let you down. I saw this memorial sticker on someone's car the other day, and it said, fight like grandma in the cancer pink, you know? And like, no offense, but I don't want to fight like your grandma. She lost. Oh! Ooh, is that bad? Is that dark? I'm sorry.
Hey! Get out of the road! What the f?
I mean, yeah, I saw that sticker and that's the only thing I could think of, and I feel terrible, but like, that's the only thing that popped into my head. Bro, little excessive. Are you actually turning, or I don't know what's going on? Alright. Bro, I'm loving this weather. I like it when it's nice and warm outside, but the humidity isn't there. Because, dude, it can be 70 degrees and I can walk outside. If it's humid, I'm sweating. But right now, it's like 90s, no humidity, and I'm loving it. At least on the bike. Because it's like, you know, you get in the car and you put the top down. It's just bike life. I don't have a convertible anymore. I'm straight. What? So I have a motorcycle to give me some wind action. What the? Ugh, so many bumps in the road. Ow. These bumps are aggressive. Just how I like them. If you ever see me out in public, don't drive slow in front of me. Thanks for coming to my TED Talk. Bridge! Oh, why are these bumps so aggressive? I got a motorcycle and a car with really firm suspension, and I live in an area with not the best roads. And I already have back problems. You can tell I hate myself. I really just wanted to go fast today and enjoy this weather fastly, but you know, slow cars in front of you, what are you gonna do? Just wanted to give it a little... Oh, yeah, I love that zoomy zoom feeling. Oh, sweet baby Jesus on a roller coaster. Feels so good out here. Gas prices dropped a little bit. I mean, I still hate the fact that $3.15 is good for this gas station, but you know. Dude, why do you get so close to me? People need to chill and stop riding my butt. I don't like it. I'm gonna tell my teacher. You were getting close to my butt and I was not approving. Nice jean shorts, loser. Alright, that's all I got for you guys today. Sorry about the weird random video. I just wanted to make something because it's nice weather and I wanted to be on the bike. Alright, this is an awful place for you to park. I'm just gonna dip. Are you even in there? I'm gonna take that UPS truck. I can steal it right now. I can do it. I'll do it. I'll swear I'll do it. Alright guys, I'm gonna go mow my lawn because I'm an adult and I gotta do that stuff. You know, just shut up. I don't like it either. Alright, peace out, Girl Scouts. Catch you next time. Bye. Time to play the fun game of Will I Fit? Haha. That's what he said. Can I do it? Slow and steady wins the race. Like a glove. I did it. Haha.